What's up guys, I'm here Matthew, welcome back to my new video. I hope you all are good and doing well. Today I'm going to unboxing and reviewing a 2 into audio jack cable. Further any delay, let's get started. I brought this product on a mobile shop. It cost me around 100 rupees. It is a Remax product. It is a 25 centimeter audio sharing cable. The model name is RLS20. It is a Remax brand and 3.5 mm audio cable, 2 into 3.5 mm audio jack. It is a Remax international brand. It is compatible with cell phone, tablet, laptop, MP3 players, speakers and radios. It is a Remax brand and a 3.5 mm audio cable. It is a QR code, 3.5 mm audio sharing cable. Let's unbox it. Let's grab a knife and cut it. This is the cable. The cable made up of good rubber. It feels like steel, but not it is. It is the two cable ports, 25 centimeter long. Let's put this on mobile and test it. This is my mobile. We will play music. It says earphone on connector. Continue. These are the musics. Let's play this one and increase the volume. Let's put this one on the cable. It is playing. You can hear the sound. Yes, it is playing. It is a good product, value for money. Thumbs up for me for this gadget. Subscribe for more videos.